Have you ever stepped into an art studio and felt uninspired by blank walls or cluttered surfaces that distract from your creativity? Imagine walking into a space that feels like an extension of your imagination, where every frame, shelf, color, and lighting design supports your artistic flow. This video breaks down 10 deeply considered art room decor ideas, from optimizing your workspace and lighting to curating inspiring focal points and displaying your work. By the end, you'll be ready to transform your art space into a vibrant creative sanctuary that nurtures both energy and zen, and sparks motivation every time you walk in.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
How can you optimize layout and furniture for creative flow and productivity? Designing an art room layout means balancing functionality with comfort. Begin with a central workspace suited to your practice, a large table for painting, a drafting desk for illustration, or easels arranged near natural light. Place tool storage, cabinets, carts, pegboards, within arm's reach, so materials are accessible but not cluttering the surface. Create zones: a messy zone for painting and cleaning supplies, a calm zone for sketching or digital work, and a display area for ongoing projects. Consider standing desks or adjustable haunch height tables to support posture. Add a small lounge corner with a comfy chair and soft lighting, ideal for brainstorming ideas or taking creative breaks. With thoughtful zoning and ergonomic choices, your space will support sustained focus and artistic play. How should you organize and display art supplies for function and aesthetics? Curating your materials into visible, categorized storage keeps your space usable and beautiful. Use transparent jars or acrylic trays for frequently used brushes, pencils, markers, or palettes, displayed on shelves at eye level. Larger items like sketchbooks or canvases can live in vertical cubbies or slotted bins, so you can choose by simply pulling closer. Group color-coded supplies: tube paints in rainbow order or paper sheets in tonal stacks for visual order. Install pegboard or magnetic boards to hang tools, scissors, or beauty brushes, turning them into a design feature. Label each container with type and intended purpose. When tools are both easy to find and serve as decor, your workspace feels curated and ready to inspire. What lighting setups best support both mood and clarity? Good lighting is essential in an art room. Begin with a mix of natural light from windows, ideally diffused with sheer curtains to avoid direct glare. Supplement with adjustable, daylight-balanced LED task lamps positioned over work zones to reveal true colors. Incorporate overhead ambient lighting with dimmable fixtures, such as track lighting or pendant LEDs, so you can control brightness for different tasks. Add accent lighting, like LED strips along floating shelves or picture lights, to softly illuminate completed works and inspire. Position your main art station so the light falls from the side, reducing shadows. This layered lighting strategy ensures you have both clarity for precision work and mood lighting for inspiration. How can you feature your artwork and visual inspirations? An artist's room should display completed pieces, works in progress, and sources of inspiration. Install a gallery wall with floating frames or ledges to showcase finished paintings, prints, or sketches. Rotate imagery regularly. Use a wire and clip system to hang current work or reference photos, making it easy to swap pieces. A pinboard or corkboard allows you to layer images, fabric swatches, or project plans. Incorporate a couple of art-themed posters or vintage prints that resonate with your style. For a centerpiece, consider a large-scale piece above your desk or lounge area. These visual displays not only celebrate your work, but continually remind you of your artistic vision and set the emotional tone of your creative environment. What materials and textures make the room visually and artistically inspiring? Aesthetic variety stimulates creativity. Combine unfinished wood or metal desks with textured rugs, painter's drop cloth curtains, or vintage parquet flooring. Feature raw materials, exposed brick, shiplap paneling, or industrial grid ceilings to evoke a studio vibe. Add chalkboard paint or magnetic strips along one wall to jot color notes or sketches. Introduce tactile accessories, linen tool rolls, woven baskets full of yarn, or clay bowls holding mixing tools. Bring in a few plush elements, velvet cushions, faux fur rugs, for comfort. This interplay of textures feels warm, grounded, and emotionally rich, supporting both high-energy painting sessions and quiet reflection moments. Let me know in the comments which textures vibe with your style. How do you balance bold color with neutral tones? Color influences mood, so a balanced palette matters. Paint large surfaces, walls, floors, in soft neutrals like pale gray, warm white, or muted beige to serve as a calming backdrop for your work. Add pops of color through accent walls behind your workspace, or with vibrant curtains, rugs, or shelves. Use brightly colored bins, tool containers, or chair upholstery to bring energy. Even a bold drop of color in a statement artwork or swatch wall can elevate focus. Too much color everywhere can overwhelm you, but neutrals anchoring bold accents create a visually stimulating yet grounded canvas. How can plants and greenery support creativity and well-being? Plants not only beautify, but refresh the air and elevate mental space. Choose hardy plants like snake plants, pothos, or ZZ plants if your art room lacks direct light. These survive subtle conditions. If you have good light, add succulents, herb gardens, or trailing vines to bring a natural rhythm. Position plants at intervals, by the window, desk, or shelves, to soften edges and lift mood. Use planters in simple ceramic, earthy terracotta, or pastel finishes to match your palette. For convenience, small potted cacti or air plants can sit on your desk. These touches connect your studio environment to living energy, reducing stress, and nourishing creativity. Crafting an art room that's both beautiful and purposeful means designing for creative flow while expressing your identity. By optimizing layout, layering light, displaying tools and art thoughtfully, balancing color and texture, integrating plants and tech with care, defining zones, and maintaining a tidy routine, you shape a space that supports inspiration and progress. Take one idea, maybe a gallery wall, a cozy nook, or a display of your tools, and begin your transformation today. Watch how a few thoughtful design steps can open creative doors you hadn't known existed.